Woo. Well. Peace, 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 peace. All right. I'm about to give like my 54th mathematical equation for today. I think it's gonna be the last one. I'm on 54 mathematical equations, right? In about a 4-part video. But, so again, I'm going to describing this e to the power of 4. And why is this e to the power of 4? I'm telling you, this is the last one I'm making, last video I'm making on this topic. Now, the importance of portals, right? Importance of portals. I don't know if it's a good place to begin. Importance of portals. As you can see, I'm about to embark on a on a c to the power of 4. So again, these are my mathematical equations is going about, and one of the things is when it comes to this quantum fantasy, quantum reality, mechanics, imagination, right? All the M's and such. When it comes to it, my formula, the trick is, now we're close, that's a splash. All right, when we come to it, the trick is that this is gonna eliminate the low 2, the number 2. So with this is everything 1, which means we're gonna be approaching singularity in quite a bit. So, and what this is called quantum entanglement, or as I like to say, just entanglement for this matter. And relay, when you have this type of entanglement, is usually in the universe is described as causality, meaning that things interact with each other, so that way it creates a type of object permanence. Because as you see, some people out there, that's a R, right? Some people out there, small, large, believe that realism is key. Realism is the key figure. So that's like me saying, when I stop seeing such stops existing. So that's the real question. That's the real question. But the problem is with entanglement is that the mathematics that we use to decide it makes the false assumption that all values are accounted for, and that no hidden values exist, which is why we are struggling to find. We're quote unquote struggling. We may have found it already. Who knows? We're quote unquote we're struggling to find the answers of what lies in the universe. So this is your quantum entanglement, and this is why the pilot wave theory is probably the correct theory all along. This type of theory can be used to insinuate a number of things. It could be used to insinuate that life was seeded on Earth, for instance. It's just one example. It would be just an example. And there really is no challenging that. There really is no challenging it, as much as we can tell and look around. So the answer is probably most definitely yes. And I don't know why I'm saying yes, because that's an R2. But with this, who knows? With this theory, with this new theory of abstract probability, with the theory of abstract probability, you can say a number of things also too. So, and with it, you can also be able to make things appear from nothingness. So, these are the things that I see. You know, there's lines, strings, entanglement everywhere going on. There's motion, which means there's guided mechanics, and there's also the Schrödinger mechanics, right? That tells, that sort of tells you how to change with time. And then the guiding mechanics is gonna tell you how to behave within a particular wave function. So this is my theory, and this is my mathematical equation. And with it, you can use it to do just about whatever you feel like, whatever is mechanically possible to your person or car or vehicle. Thank you for listening. Peace, 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 peace. And go out inside and start creating reality, right? Go ahead and create your reality, fantasy, imagination. It makes absolutely no difference because all three are at the same time interchangeable. And just another thing also, the pilot wave theory, just a note that it's relative. So anything that's considered actual or physical or even non-physical, as long as they're congruent, I'm guessing. As long as they're congruent, I'm guessing. Then the whole shit applies because again, there's hidden values. There's hidden values. And also the thing with causality is that the universe tries its hardest to not have any paradoxes. So knowing this is very important. The word paradox is highly important. And this is why instead of matter, instead of using the sign of M, I chose P, although P would be matter. And some could say that G would be a better symbol or sign, but I like P. So yeah, this is my final video. Peace, 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 and thank you for watching. The conclusion.